I'm going to show you how to get my perfect faux eyebrow piercing with makeup. I have refined this process to perfection. I have been doing this design with my eyebrows with the dots, and I've been making it so it kind of looks like those faux piercings because half magic, I love these so much. However, this is my sheet that I have and I'm treasuring it. But I was thinking one day that I can kind of mimic the look of those with makeup. It's called innovation. I am a genius. Anyway, so I've been trying out techniques to kind of get the look that I've wanted, and I have found such a good way to do it that is so quick. So if you like the little dots that I've been doing to kind of either mimic a faux piercing or to just honestly kind of have like a cool eyebrow accent, let me show you this. So for starters, I used to use an eyeliner and just kind of like swivel, make the dots. And while that is easy, you can do something with liquid liner. If you have that, that's totally fine. This is the Cola liner from Glisten Cosmetics. This is the wet liner, and oh my god. Here's what I was thinking. I know you can make dots, like eyeliner dots or just like little accent dots with the end of your brush. You could just dip it in, and I was like, why am I not doing that? I literally dip my brush into my little water. I dip it in here, swirl it around, activate the liner, and dude, when I tell you, there's a cat hair on this. Hold on. Get it pretty saturated on the end, but not too much. I don't want it like dripping off of the end. And I literally just boop. Now, how far down, like how much I press down, I can do like a smaller dot if I just gonna go beep. And then obviously I can make a larger dot like on the bottom like I did. I didn't need to make it that large. Oops. Oh well, you live and you learn. And again, literally 2 seconds. Now I just let them dry. And here's the part that makes it look like a faux piercing. Obviously I wanted this part to be reflective or some kind of chrome or something like that. And I grabbed this. This is the glitter from Moira Cosmetics. I am obsessed with this. I use this all the time for so many things, but I just take this and I take the end of the brush and literally just dot it on. Boop, 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 boop. Making sure the product is at the tip of the brush, so I really just dot it. Like I really just kind of press it on. Boop, 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 boop. I need to add more glitter on. I just tap it on and then it just kind of looks like that. I really love doing this. It's again just something fun to add with makeup that is very minimal effort. And I think doing it this way not only makes it very fast, but it kind of makes it foolproof. Like I don't have to worry about like swirling around a brush tip of a liner and kind of like messing up the circle shape, because literally the end of the brush is just gonna do that for me. I think I'm over explaining, but you understand what I mean. But seriously, these two things together make the biggest difference. So anyway, yeah, I hope you found that helpful. If you do try this, please tag me. I would love to see. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for watching. Follow me for more makeup and beauty tips, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye!